Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode in the series. In this episode I'll be going over the basic tools you'll be using to edit your video. Or the most commonly used tools, I should say. Now, you'll find these tools up in the top left corner of Adobe Premiere. These are all the tools you have quick access to. But the ones we'll be going over today are the selection tool, which is what you use mainly, and you should already have it selected. And this is what you use to select your video by clicking on it, and it will allow you to start changing it, like in this box. And if you click and hold, it allows you to move your video to different points in the timeline. And the second tool we'll be using is the razor tool. Now, this tool is used to split your video up into different parts. So you can delete certain sections of the video you don't want, or move them to a different part in the video. Now, let's say with the video I have here, let's say I wanted to cut out I just wanted to cut out two different parts in the video that I want to keep and then delete the rest of it. So, first you need to find those two different parts. So if I just play the video by using this, I gotta start recording this. I can also use this to scroll through the part I want, but you can also just play it with this at the normal speed of how it'll sound. Now, so you saw as I played this, there's a little audio meter here. That's why I told you to leave this open a little bit, because you're able to see how loud it actually is comparatively to everything else, and then which stereo. Alright, so I want to cut it right there. So what I want to do is take the razor tool, and using the zoom bar down here, zoom in to that point on a timeline. Now, full zoom will bring it to where you see every frame of the video. And if you want to be more exact, you can use the step forward and the step back buttons, which will move the video by one frame. So I want to move it right here. So what you do, you have your razor tool selected, and as you see when you bring it on there, it shows a razor. And what you want to do, you want to hover that black line over the red line or around it and click. Now what this will do, and make sure you select your selection tool, what this will do is split your video into two separate pieces. Now see that this did not change the rendering of the video, and you can still move it around without having it de-rendered. Now, so this is the part I want to keep, and I want to cut out to a certain section. So if I find that section, so I want to cut right here. Let's say I want to delete this section, keep another section, and then delete the rest of the video because I don't want it. I just want to get those two clips out from that 13-minute video and just leave it to where it's like 1 minute or a few seconds. So what I do is that since I want it to start back again right there, zoom in again, use the razor tool, and cut. Now the video is in 3 pieces. And as you can see, up at the top here in the effect controls, they say they're the same video, which they are, but you can edit each piece separately. So you can change the volume to this, or how transparent it is, change volume levels, whatever you want to do. But since I want to keep this part and another part in here, but I don't want this part, what you can do, you can select that part of the video and just press delete. That will remove that part from the video, and you can select this part and move it over to have it to where as you play, it'll just jump straight to that part. The other thing you can use, I just Control Z. Just use Control Z if you want to undo something. It works the same way. But what I could also do is if I zoom out a little bit, I can take this part, move it up, and move it to the rear of the video. So if I zoom out a bit more so I can see it, you can take it, drag it, and move it to the end of the video. Same thing will happen where it's the end of the video, and then that'll pop up again. You can also copy and paste the different parts of the video and move them to different sections. But that is the basics of the razor tool. And those are the basic tips of editing. Next episode will probably be on encoding. I just got through all of this and I can't even.